Hi everyone. Over the last 20 years, A Small World has had an exciting history, evolving from one of the very first social networks into a thriving community of travelers. With this evolution, our sense of purpose has shifted as well, and we are now firmly focused on helping our members discover new travel inspiration, book unforgettable journeys, and connect with like-minded members. I believe now is the time to go one step further, build on what we've already created together, and make A Small World even better. The first change is the biggest one. The A Small World membership is becoming free. With all the improvements we've made to A Small World, we now want to expand our community to reach even more people. In many ways, we're returning to our roots, reviving the essence of what started A Small World 20 years ago. A free community united by a shared passion for exploring the world and everything it has to offer. Our community's legacy of bringing people together to foster meaningful connections is something I believe is more valuable now than ever. And with this in mind, A Small World is becoming free. This will allow more amazing people to join and enrich our community with their passion for travel that they will bring to A Small World. This change also means you can find and invite your friends for free and share our community with them, a request that we've heard from many of you over recent years. As we're inviting new members to join us, rest assured that we will remain committed to maintaining the quality of our community. We'll have robust checks in place as we grow, and we will monitor behavior to ensure our community standards are upheld. A Small World will remain a curated, high-quality community. Starting today, we will roll out a new logo and a new, elegant visual identity that better represents the sophistication of our members and what A Small World stands for. Please give us a few weeks until this change is reflected throughout every corner of the app and our site, as these changes will be rolled out gradually over the next few months. In line with our goal to inspire you to travel better, as of today, we are offering daily travel editorials directly in your newsfeed. We want to spark your curiosity and help you discover fresh ideas, tips, and destinations for your next adventure. We want to ignite your wanderlust and give you the tools to find new reasons to travel, all on a daily basis, every time you open our app. More hotels in A Small World collection. With our most recent update, we have added another 100 hotels, including all Peninsula and Firmdale hotels, 2 exciting new partner hotel groups. And as a member, you will continue to enjoy our exclusive VIP benefits like room upgrades, early check-ins, and hotel credits at no extra cost, all designed to make your travel experience even more memorable when you book with us. For those of you who want an enhanced A Small World experience, we are also introducing a new membership level called Premium. With this membership, you will get the following additional benefits over the free membership. Access to the A Small World Privilege section with great travel benefits and discounts from our partners. Access to premium-only events and preferential pricing for our events. The ability to search for members in other locations than your own. Enhanced privacy features, and the ability to create marketplace job and real estate listings. As we celebrate A Small World's 20th anniversary this year, I'm excited to announce these improvements and look forward to a bright new chapter of A Small World with you. A lot of passion and hard work of our team has gone into these changes, and we will bring even more exciting changes to you in the next year. Thank you for being part of our journey.